Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to download a streamed Flash video to your iPod. There have been times for all of us when we wanted to download a video to watch later offline. With the help of some free programs, this is simpler than you may think. Okay, before we begin, let's clear a few things up. In order to download Flash videos, it's important that you have an internet connection and the proper programs. While there are many programs that let you do this, I found Firefox matched to the AMP video downloader is a very effective combo. But you also need iTunes, VLC media player if you intend to watch it offline, and a video converter. These three are very important for this. So once you have Firefox open, click the tools bar at the top. You will see a pop-down menu and you want to scroll down to add-ons. Here I already have the program installed, but you're going to want to make sure you have the latest version of the AMP video downloader downloaded. Here you can see all the fire-ons that Firefox has to offer. I already have the AMP video downloader installed and running. First, you want to specify where on your computer you want your video to download. Click the Options tab in the Plugins menu. This is important. It will save you from running around your computer hard drive looking for files that were downloaded. I recommend you make a folder for these files and a location that you remember and is easy to find. You can do this in the Where to Download Movies option. I already have one specified, so we'll use that. Click OK and close the add-ons window. Now it's time to start the downloading. Before we proceed, it is very important to understand that none of these videos can be replicated or sold. That is a major no-no and is punishable by law. So now that we're on YouTube and we found the video we'd like to download, press play and then quickly pause it. In the lower right hand corner of your screen, you will see the AMP plugin going to work, deciding whether or not it's a downloadable video. This can be seen here. If it is a solid black, it can be downloaded. If not, the download bar will be a grayish color and unclickable. Here we see is a solid black, meaning we can download away. Now we click the download button. Here we see the video is now downloading into the folder that we have specified. Hopefully you put it somewhere easy since it will be easily accessible. Now, once this is downloading, we can bring up the folder in which we told the AMP downloader to download the file into. So now I bring up the window, and here it is, downloaded straight to my computer, an FLV video. If you intend to watch this offline and not on an iPod, you may want to download some sort of media player. I have found VLC media player to be a very effective, easy to use, and free option for doing this. But let's say you want to bring this video along with you. Well, that's no problem. This does require a bit of computer know-how, but I'll guide you along step by step. First, you're going to need a file converting software and iTunes. Unfortunately, iTunes will not read .flv formats, so we're going to need a converter. I have found the Any Video Converter to be a great and free option for this. So now that I have it installed, I see the Any Video Converter. Any Video Converter is free and easy to use. Once you download the program, you'll need to specify where you want your files to be transferred to. Like the AMP video downloader, I recommend somewhere easy to remember because you're going to do a lot of clicking and dragging. So I'm going to go to the Edit tab, down to Options, and here in the Set Output folder, you will see you can set your output folder to anywhere in your computer. This is where the converted files are going to wind up. So, like I said, keep them somewhere simple. Save yourself a lot of hassle. Now that you have your location set up, here comes the easy part. In the main window of any video converter, you will see the output format up here in the upper right hand corner. I found MPEG-4 to be reliable and semi-compressed format. I recommend a format that is mildly compressed. This will keep file sizes manageable while keeping video quality as close to the original as possible. Once I specified where the video will go and what it will be converted into, I will bring up my folder. Here you can see the YouTube video that we just downloaded. What I prefer to do is line up the windows side by side and simply click and drag, but the same outcome can be achieved by clicking the Add Video button in the top left hand side of the window. But for now, I'll stick with the click and drag. So I'll cancel this. I will click and drag my video into the area in the middle. Here you'll see it will be added to the convert query. And now we can proceed. Next, you should click convert and watch the video go. This will either be fast or take a while depending on file size or the number of files that you have converting. Once a file is done converting, go to the output folder you have specified earlier. Here we see the finished converted MPEG-4 movie file. Now we're going to want to close the converter and bring up iTunes. Again, I like to use the click and drag method, so I will click the newly created MPEG-4 file into my movie section of the iTunes library. iTunes will recognize it as a video and automatically place it in the correct slot. Now all you need to do is connect your video capable iPod or iPhone and you are set to go. Remember, these videos are for your own personal use only and not to be sold. If you are looking to use the magic of the internet to bring videos to your offline experience, it's never more than a few mouse clicks away. I'm Tom Vullians, and I hope you enjoy. So start downloading, friends.